Hi again and welcome back to Links W7 TV Celebrity Scoop for another episode. On a bit of sad note in entertainment, popular dancehall entertainer Teejay from the Ramesh Entertainment camp lost two of his associates in a tragic shooting incident in St. Andrew. When we return, we'll have the exclusive details of this story to come on the program. This is Links W7 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back after this break. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities, Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. It's Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Popular dancehall entertainer Teejay is in mourning following a shooting incident that claimed the life of two of his friends. If you can recall, Teejay was an upcoming entertainer who had a massive stint at the staging of the Reggae Sun Fest show in Montego Bay a few years ago. He is currently signed to the Ramesh Entertainment camp and has been producing a number of songs that has been doing really well both locally and even on the international charts. Well, this came as a shock to the dancehall entertainer as news broke of the shooting incident, and it said that these were two close associates of the dancehall entertainer. A number of persons from the Ramesh Entertainment camp who were also known to these two gentlemen that passed away, including Ding Dong Shensi and also Ramesh, the top boss himself, also took to social media just in order to send their condolences. Also, other individuals from the local and even on the international entertainment fraternity have expressed shock and also sent their condolences as well to the families and friends of these two fallen individuals, who were among four individuals that were shot at a location in St. Andrew. So the incident said to have taken place in Rosalie Avenue in Kingston 11 on Thursday around 5 p.m. And this has sent the whole entertainment industry in shock based on the new developments that have came out of this unfortunate situation just so far. So the two individuals that passed away are said to be associate of the dancehall star Teejay, the up top boss himself, and they have been identified as 27-year-old Romario Walton, otherwise called Bassa, or Grimmy Boss of Rosalie Avenue, and Philip Lewis, otherwise called Afro Man. According to information reaching us here at Links W7 TV Celebrity Scope, or that reports from the Hunts Bay Police are that about 5 p.m. the man was standing along a roadway when a motor car drove up with man aboard. They exited the vehicle and opened fire on the group of individuals that were standing at that location. The police were summoned, and upon their arrival, all four persons were suffering from gunshot wounds, and they were taken to a nearby hospital where two of the individuals succumbed to their injuries, and those are the associates of dancehall entertainer Teejay. So the police communications unit within the police force said that they have confirmed the shooting and said that two individuals passed away based on this. Teejay then made a post on his Instagram of a photo of the two. The dancehall entertainer then took to social media and made an emotional post on his Instagram page and said that the camp itself that he's associated with has lost two really youths, and that they were friends and that they will meet again. Also, Ramesh made a post on his Instagram of a picture of the two individuals that were slain. And also, dancehall entertainer Shensia as well also took to her Instagram and made an emotional post about the whole entire situation that went down. So it's a sad day right now for Ramesh, and also a sad day for the up top boss himself, Teejay, who is mourning the loss of two of his close associates. And how you know that these two individuals were very close to Teejay, the up top boss himself, was that one of his songs, he featured one of these individuals in his song. And I'm telling you, it was just so emotional just to hear about the news as well, with the high spate of crime that is going on in the country and with the COVID spread. This hadn't come at a worse time when the local authorities are struggling to grapple with the rising number of fatalities due to violent activities at this time. But as it stands right now, the whole team is in shock and they're just trying to console each other in the best possible way. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we here just want to take this time as well just to express our heartfelt condolences to the families and friends of the two fallen associates of Teejay. Details surrounding what really transpired or what might have led to this shooting incident is still unclear. However, the police are carrying out their investigation and whether to ascertain what might have led to this. However, we'll keep you up to date with those stories to come on the program. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop signing out once more. We're out for now. Bless.